Hey everyone, and welcome to another video. Today, we're going to be discussing SCP-008, more commonly referred to as the zombie plague. As always, if you want to learn more about SCPs, I recommend checking out the sites. But without further ado, let's get into it. SCP-008 is an infectious prion. That means it's a misfolded protein that causes other proteins to misfold as well, leading to a buildup of these misfolded proteins in the brain. This buildup causes severe damage to the brain, which results in the symptoms we associate with zombies, hence the name zombie plague. The story of SCP-008 starts with a research team exploring an underwater trench in the Mariana Islands. There, they discovered a strange red substance that seemed to be oozing out of the cracks in the ocean floor. When the researchers brought this back to their lab for further testing, they found that it was a highly contagious virus. Now, the virus itself wasn't too hard to contain, but it had an extremely high mortality rate. In fact, every single person who came into contact with the virus became infected and ultimately turned into what the researchers called a zombified state. The virus would first cause necrosis of the cells, basically causing them to die. And then after some time, the cells would reanimate and become aggressive, craving only one thing: human flesh. As you can imagine, this caused quite a problem for the researchers because now they had to deal not only with the virus itself, but also with these zombified humans running around their facility trying to eat everyone. Eventually, all of the researchers were killed and the virus got loose, turning most of the population into zombies. It took the combined efforts of multiple SCP facilities to contain the outbreak, and even then, it was only partially successful. There are still some areas of the world that are completely overrun by zombies, and it's likely that there are even more zombies out there that have not been discovered yet. The SCP Foundation has done their best to study the virus and find a cure, but so far they haven't been able to do either. They have, however, been able to develop a vaccine that seems to prevent the zombification process from occurring, but unfortunately, it's not very effective at killing the zombies themselves. So, what is the cure for SCP-008? Unfortunately, there isn't one. The SCP Foundation has not been able to find a way to reverse the zombification process or create a vaccine that kills the zombies. So, for now, the best we can do is try to contain the outbreak and hope for the best. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, make sure to like and subscribe so you never miss another video.